Hey guys, Chris here with the 2017 Toyota Tacoma 4x4 TRD off-road package. So this is the off-road package. So it has the comes with the rear locking differential and crawl control. And this one's got a step further. Already has quite a few upgrades, as you can see. We've got upgraded wheels and upgraded off-road Falcon tires, front new steel ARB front bumper, and Dobinson suspension. Dobinson suspension's from Australia. It's top of the line suspension, especially if you're into off-roading. So that's new in the front. Also the it's got Dobinson leaf springs in the back and Dobinson shocks. The 4x4 decals have been removed off the back. You have a power rear window, red wood trim on the dash. Wireless charging, USB port. You have a GoPro harness right here. You can attach your GoPro, and then you have an additional USB ports right here that you can plug those into. And right here you have the multi-terrain settings. So you can change between different settings: rock, sand, mogul, snow. And you have your crawl control. Really cool features if you're into off-roading, and your rear locking differential that will help you out if you ever get stuck or you got a wheel in the air that's spinning. That'll you turn that on when you're in 4 low, and it'll apply brakes to your spinning wheel and get you out of your jam. That's a real must if you're going off-road. So that's a nice feature to have. Tells you if you're when your battery's low and your key fob, so I need to change. It was on one of the key fobs, the battery's low. Go ahead and change that before the auction ends. Let's take it for a spin. It's also got a backup camera, navigation, and sound system, upgraded sound system. Right, going about 60 miles an hour. Tacoma drives great, 47,000 miles, so no issues, no lights or anything, any warning lights on the dash, no tire lights or check engine lights or anything like that. Not making any sounds or funny noises or anything to worry about. Everything's driving great on this truck.